congratulations because the trailer looks amazing. First thing first, पहली लाइन है कि आप भूत में विश्वास करते हैं कि नहीं. So this question is for both of you. That do you believe in ghosts and to you also?
I kind of do and I kind of don't. Like, I'm very confused about it.
They say na mano ya na mano.
Have you ever experienced anything like ghost or any supernatural experiences?
I've kind of had something, but मुझे अभी पता नहीं चल रहा वो एक सपना था या वो actually हुआ था. तो it's quite funny actually. It was at home only. I was sleeping और 4 बजे रात को मुझे I just felt like a slight pressure, like someone's very gently trying to like wake me up. तो मैं इतनी डर गई कि मैंने आंखें ही नहीं खोली कि देखने के लिए क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ. But it was just very quick and then I just kind of slept it off and then I woke up and the next day I came home. और मैंने रूम खोला और मैंने बोला जो भी हो जो भी कल आया था प्लीज़ ऐसे मत आओ, अगर कुछ बात करनी है मेरे सपनों में आके बोलना जो बोलना है ऐसे मत डराना मुझे.
Same question is from you. आपने कभी experience किया because the film you are producing this film, so obviously this question.
Of course, there are a lot of things exist and we live in a parallel universe, but I'm not saying anything, but I felt something. But respect to everything.
Okay. Generally, I don't know, in Indian cinema or you can say कि Hindi cinema में I've seen that whenever there is a story around ghost or supernatural stories, the setup is mostly around the hills. Have you noticed this? And in this also, if I'm not wrong, this is based in some hills.
Hills per se, more of like forests, more of like hills तो नहीं है, hills तो नहीं है. Yeah, I think it depends on story to story as well. I think a lot of eerie stories come out of like, hilly areas. There are more trees, there are more forests, there's more mystery over there. That layer of fog adds, a certain eerie element. So I think that's why it just supports a lot of these stories. But yeah, not necessarily.
So you are an avid traveler. I mean, I follow you on social media and I see how much you travel and also keep sharing everything every day almost. Whenever you have traveled to hills or all these kind of area where there are a lot of dense forests, so have you experienced any eerie thing or?
No, there I haven't actually. I feel a lot of peace and a lot of sukoon in nature, anywhere where there's a lot of nature. So I've never felt anything eerie over there.
You said, sir, that this is inspired from a true story.
It's a true. No, it's not true story, but it's an original film. It's an original concept generated by our director Khush Sinha and developed with Pawan Kriplani, right?
Okay. So, and was Sonakshi the first choice the moment the story was narrated to you and Mr. Khush Sinha came to you? तो ये हमेशा से ही इन्हीं का निकिता रॉय का चेहरा इनके ही मतलब सोनाक्षी ही निकिता रॉय में परफेक्ट 100% फिट है, ये आपके दिमाग में पहले दिन से था?
So मेरे भाई ने निक्की और मैंने जब अपना कंपनी का शुरुआत किया तो हम खुद से मिले. हम लोग we wanted to start somewhere with some great story. There we came across Nikita Roy, and that time we came to know Sonakshi had heard it, but wanted it to be much better or something. Khush improvised it, made it much better about it. Then finally, of course, then she liked it, and that's what.
You use the word great story, and the question is for both of you. In today's time, especially last 5 years, when there is so much of debate about stories, कहानियाँ नहीं है, somebody says the story is the hero or something. What according to you today makes a great story? Sonakshi, from you and sir from you also.
I think anything that keeps the audience engaged, interested. आजकल लोगों की attention span बहुत कम हो गई है. So I feel अगर आप उनको initially ही अपने फिल्म में grip नहीं करते तो उनका attention कहीं और चले जाता है. And I think that is very important to have a story that kind of keeps you involved. Whether it is a thriller, whether it's a mystery, whether it's a drama, whether it is an emotional story, वो emotion also has to grip you in some way or the other ताकि आपका interest बना रहे फिल्म में. So I think that is what makes a good story.
I totally agree, of course. So it has to be engaging. अगर कुछ चीज़ आपको connect नहीं करे तो उसका मतलब नहीं.
Yeah.
And do you think we had a chat off camera also that family content is absolutely lacking from Indian theaters? आती हैं कभी कभी एक दो आती है, जैसे कि अभी सितारे आई. So
So we have an upcoming film in a company called Badtameez Gill, which is a family drama comedy, which is a sibling story.
Badtameez Gill.
Badtameez Gill.
Nice name. Yeah.
So, what's your perspective on the family story, family dramas missing from the Indian theaters, and
I don't think they're missing at all, actually.
the frequencies? Because we as an Indian, I think we are 100.
No, families are not going. That's a different story. There's no lack of films that are being made, and there's no lack of family films that are being made. I just feel that content wise there's a lot more options. Also the theatre going experience has become very, very expensive for a regular family. So I think there are a lot of factors that affect why people are not going to theatres as much, but they are there, the stories are there, the films are there. And for a film like Nikita Roy, मुझे लगता है एक बहुत अच्छी community viewing experience है, जहाँ पर आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ जाकर families के साथ जाकर you get the thrills and the chills and the entertainment value that you would get from a theatrical. So yeah, I think the films are there. I don't think
If I'm not mistaken, you are working. You have worked with Paresh sir for the first time.
Yes.
Like, yeah. So how was your entire experience?
fantastic. I think it was such an honor for me to share screen space with an actor of his caliber, and in terms of his body of work and how amazing he is, it was an amazing experience for me.
आपका sir Paresh sir.
Because we were grateful to have Sonakshi ma'am and Paresh sir on board, both being phenomenal actors and make it so effortless.
You like Paresh sir more in comic roles or in this kind of
That is so tough. No, I think he's such a versatile actor that I can't choose. He's amazing in every role that he plays.
Yeah, that's what, and that is why there was so much of online discussion going about that why is not part of Hera Fairy 3. But if I ask you as an audience, that can you imagine Hera Fairy 3 without Paresh sir?
As
So-
an audience, no, I can't. Absolutely not.
And also talking about other like Arjun, Mr. Arjun Rampal and your co-actors. So how was your experience working with them?
Amazing. I think Sohail is very, very talented. I had more scenes, way more scenes with him. But yeah, he's immensely talented, and I think he's so apt for the role, and he's done such a good job, playing this character of this UK-based Indian content creator. He's done a fantastic job. So it was a pleasure working with him, of course, with Arjun as well. He's playing my brother in the film, and yeah, it was lovely. Yeah.
I would like to know about Arjun Rampal. Like, obviously, he has done so much of work, and how was he as cast as Sonakshi's brother?
So Arjun, I know him since many years, since I've grown up around him. He's done our family's film. So the first thing came across my mind was to approach Arjun, and we were fortunate. He immediately said yes. That's how we got him on board.
And since it's a film which is
he plays a guest appearance.
okay, it's a guest of it. Okay, so but since it's a film around ghost, and there have been a lot of night shoots, if I believe. So if you can share some of on-set experiences, some interesting on-set experiences.
Honestly, like if you're looking for spooky experiences, they really didn't happen on set, because जब आप एक ऐसी film shoot कर रहे भी होते हैं तो your entire unit is with you, so you're in a very safe space actually. But yeah, we did have quite a few night shoots, and I don't mind them. I think of myself as a nocturnal creature anyway, so my mind functions better at night, especially when it comes to shoot.
Okay, we have spoken to a lot of actors, and they say that managing work, if you're continuously working, and also managing social media at the same time. I know not everything is done by you. You have a team as well. It's quite a tedious job. So you are very, very active. So how do you manage that? And you also have many other films coming up, lined
Yeah,
up. So,
but no, I don't. I'm able to manage it because I don't concentrate on it so much. जब कुछ निकल गया तो फिर डाल दिया, or I share something that I want to share when I want to share it. I'm not under any sort of pressure to share something, all the time. So I think that's what eases the whole process and makes it, more fun thing to do.
and tell us about your upcoming projects and also your South debut. So,
Yes,
yeah.
I just finished shooting for my Telugu film Jatadhara, and that should release this year as well. And I have 2 other films up for release, which I can't really talk to you about right now because I'm waiting for them to make the announcements. But yeah, exciting stuff coming ahead for me as well.
And how was your experience, shooting the entire film with your brother? Because भाई की बात बहन मान ले ये कैसे मतलब I know every sibling they
नहीं,
fight.
मैं अच्छी हूँ, मैं मान लेती हूँ.
But I like to say, on set, both were so professional and punctual. We didn't feel that they are related. They were like two separate professionals.
Yeah, I think set पे आते ही वो you remember, what you're there to do. And of course, Kush की पहली film थी, and as an actor, I've worked with a lot of new directors. तो मेरी कोशिश हमेशा ये रहती है कि I can support them as much as I can, and with my experience, with my knowledge of what I've been working for the last 15 years, be it any new director, because they bring a very fresh energy and a very new perspective to films. तो उनके साथ काम करके मुझे अच्छा भी लगता है. So it was and Kush also was very clear in his vision with what he wanted to make. So that was a good part, yeah.
But set पर कभी fight नहीं हुई, थोड़ा मतलब भाई बहन
Not
वाली
really,
fight?
मुझे actually लगा हम थोड़ी बहुत बहस कर बैठेंगे, but बिल्कुल नहीं हुई. Because on set you're actually like in that whole work zone and so professional
Because there's so
zone.
much to do.
Yeah, there's
We
so
get
much
that time.
happening कि मतलब वो छोटी छोटी बातों में पढ़ने का मतलब ही नहीं था. Yeah.
So you're talking about, like, obviously everyone knows that you have an excellent bond with your brothers and your siblings have excellent bond. But when you read, and which was written so much 1 year back, तो क्या आपके दिमाग, does it affect you? आपको disturb करता है
No,
वो
I
सब
don't
कुछ?
think about it. Yeah.
So because we have heard that a lot of celebs say that it does affect us mentally. It does affect them
No,
mentally.
I don't think about it. I don't give
Okay.
it too much thought. Yeah.
And also, sir, I would like to know that set पर आपने बोला क्या कि कुछ सोनाक्षी के बारे में कि they were complete professionals. But जब आप मतलब आपका कितना कुछ input रहा as a producer जैसे किसी scene में?
So me and my brother Nikki, हम लोग बोलते हैं हम लोग 2 और 2 11 होते हैं. One looks after the business development, which is my brother, and I look after the creative side. So I have been around with Kush in the development, and has been a great journey.
Yeah, no, they've been very involved as producers, and in a good way. बहुत लोग होते हैं जो बहुत घुस जाते हैं, and I think they were the right balance of to give that freedom to a new director, especially to make the kind of film that he wants to make. And so yeah, it was a lovely experience even working.
So was जब कुश ने नरेट किया तो उसके बाद सोनाक्षी के साथ आपकी पहली मीटिंग थी या उससे पहले आप लोग मिल चुके थे या
No.
you were acquainted with each other?
First we had the story, then of course later we met.
Yeah.
There is a protocol.
Okay. And you spoke about your upcoming film, which is a family comedy,
It's a family drama with comedy.
family drama. So I would like to understand about these kind of different terms that have come, क्योंकि ऑडियंस को बड़ा कंफ्यूज करते हैं. अच्छा ये साइकोलॉजिकल है, सुपर नेचुरल थ्रिलर, अच्छा ये हॉरर है, ये थ्रिलर है. बिकॉज
Yeah, exactly. हम confuse करना चाहते हैं कि आप जाके देखें ये क्या है मामला.
so also before we finish, because the time is almost up, Son of Sardar 2 poster has come and you were part of it and you were amazing in the first part. मैं जानना चाहती हूँ आपसे कि I know that everyone would like to be part of all the version of all the parts of the franchise, but जैसे कि इसमें आप नहीं हैं, तो कुछ आपके दिमाग में आया कि कुछ ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया जब when you were not part of
नहीं,
it?
मतलब समझने वाली बात है कि स्टोरी कुछ और होगी, कैरेक्टर्स वो नहीं होंगे, एंड दैट्स कम्प्लीटली फेयर. एंड आई थिंक एज प्रोफेशनल्स हमने इंडस्ट्री में इतने साल काम किया है, हम ये सब चीज़ें समझते हैं, तो it's a small thing, it's not really a big deal.
It doesn't affect you at all?
No, not at all. Yeah.
And before we finish, हम चाहते हैं कि आप ऑडियंस को before we wrap this up, आप अपने फिल्म के बारे में कुछ लाइंस बताइए, so that why audience should go to theater and watch it.
Please watch Nikita Roy for Sonakshi Sinha and Sonakshi.
No, don't be mean. Everybody is there. No, it's got some great performances, and I think it's a edge of your seat thriller, which will keep you gripped throughout. तो ज़रूर हमारी फिल्म निकिता रॉय देखिए.
और बहुत टाइम बाद एक हिंदी मूवी आ रही है with great suspense and thrill elements with it, and shot internationally by our director.
Yeah, 27th of June 2025.
Okay, I said this is our last question, but while talking उन्होंने बोला कि Sonakshi Sinha and Sonakshi, तो मुझे मेरे दिमाग में आया that in 15 years of your career, I think you have done great work and different kind of characters. But if I ask you that, what next for you and what more do you want, you know?
I think right now as an actor, I'm just looking at roles that challenge me in different ways and portray me in different ways. मतलब मैं कोई भी चीज़ ऐसे नहीं करना चाहती हूँ जो मैं पहले कर चुकी हूँ या जो मैं अपने नींद में कर सकती हूँ. I want roles that actually challenge me and push me to my limits. So if you see for the last 8-9 years, I've been choosing very different roles from each other. So उसमें मुझे मज़ा आता है and I look forward to doing newer things also.
No, I said that what new, is there something in your mind that you want to do new? Like last week I was in an interview with Kajol, so I asked her what next you want to do, and is there something going in your mind कि मुझे अब next ये मिल जाए तो मैं करूँ? तो she said that she wants to do comedy. Comedy तो आपने काफ़ी किया है.
No, like I would love to do a period film. I would love to do a biopic. ये दो चीज़ period film मैंने बहुत कम की है. एक लुटेरा थी शायद और एक हीरा मंडी में हो गया. But biopic मैंने कभी नहीं किया है. So I would love to do that.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you.
I wish that you get a very, very strong role in a, you know, biopic जो कि बस धमाका कर दे, धमाल बजा दे. Thank you so much. Thank you.
शाम स्टील फ्लेक्सी स्ट्रॉन्ग TMT बार. ये स्ट्रॉन्ग के साथ फ्लेक्सिबल भी है.
आपदा मुसीबत कोई भी आए, ये घर को अटूट बनाए.
जब TMT फ्लेक्सी स्ट्रॉन्ग,
तो घर रहे हमेशा के लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग.
ये स्टाइल का मामला है. रूपा फ्रंटलाइन.